Assalamu alaikum, dear parents and lovely students. Hope all of you are fine and enjoying good health. I am Madiha Khurram from Multan Public School. I am your social studies teacher. Dear students, today we will read unit number 2, our clothes. Dear students, tell me how we should keep our clothes. Yes, we should keep our clothes clean and tidy. In previous topic, we read about cleanliness of ourselves. We should keep ourselves neat and tidy. Cleanliness is good for health. Cleanliness prevents us from diseases and keep us fresh and healthy. Similarly, we should keep our clothes clean. Dear students, do you help your mother at home in housework? Yes, good children help their mothers in housework. In this topic, Yasir and Anam are helping their mother in housework. Let's see what Yasir and Anam are doing with their mother. Let's start reading. We must also keep our clothes clean. Yasir and Anam are helping their mother. She is busy washing clothes. Anam and Yasir are helping their mother in washing their clothes. Anam and Yasir are hanging them out to dry. Dear students, tell me why we should hang clothes outside. Yes, we hang them out to dry. When the clothes are dry, the children will fold them neatly. When our clothes have been washed and dried, what we should do? Yes, we should fold them neatly. Okay? We all wear clothes. Clothes cover and protect our bodies. Dear students, tell me how clothes protect our body. Clothes help protect our body in winter from cold weather and in summer from hot weather. Yes, here is a picture. He is wearing warm clothes. Dear students, tell me why he is wearing warm clothes? Yes, when it is cold, we wear warm clothes. In the next picture, a boy is standing in a hot weather and he is wearing light clothes. Why he is wearing light clothes? Yes, when it is hot, we wear light clothes. When it is hot, we wear light clothes. Tell me, students, what they are wearing. Yes, very good. They are wearing uniform. What we wear in school? At school, we wear a uniform. Okay, dear students, let's start exercise. Question number 1 is, what clothes do you wear in winter? I repeat question number 1. What clothes do you wear in winter? We wear warm clothes in winter. Dear students, you will write their answers in a very neat handwriting on your neat notebook. Question number 2 is, what clothes do you wear in summer? I repeat question number 2. What clothes do you wear in summer? We wear light clothes in summer. Dear students, you will write its answer. We wear light clothes in summer. Make a list of the clothes you are wearing now. Dear students, you will write your clothes you are wearing now. Okay? After writing these questions and answers, you will share a picture with your teacher. Let's start work page. Page number 15. Its A part is, look at the pictures below, match the correct name to each picture. Tell your teacher what each one is used for. Dear students, tell me what we can see in this picture. Yes, we can see soap, handkerchief, toothpaste, toothbrush, nail clipper, towel, comb. Okay, match these pictures with their names. Names are written here and pictures are also in left and right. You will match these pictures with their names. And next B part is, fill in the blanks. I use dash and dash to wash my hands. Dear students, look at the picture and tell me which thing we use for washing our hands. Yes, we use soap. So you will write here, I use soap and water to wash my hands. Number 2 is, I use dash to cut my nails. Look at this picture. Which thing is used for cutting nails? Yes, nail clipper. I use nail clipper to cut my nails. Third number is, I use a dash to clean my nose. I use a dash to keep my nose clean. Look at the picture. Which thing we use to clean our nose? Yes, handkerchief. I use a handkerchief to keep my nose clean. I brush my dash in the morning and at night. Dear students, tell me which thing is used to brush our teeth. Yes, toothpaste and toothbrush. I brush my teeth in the morning and at night. Number 5 is, I dash my hair to look neat. Tell me which thing is used for looking neat. Yes, comb. I comb my hair to look neat. Let's move to next part. Pick the correct answer. We wear warm clothes when it is hot, sunny, cold. Dear students, tell me which option is correct. Yes, hot. We wear warm clothes when it is hot. Is it correct? No. We wear warm clothes when it is cold. Very good. We dash our clothes to make them clean. Wash, brush, dry. Dear students, tell me which option is correct. We wash our clothes to make them clean. When our clothes have been washed and dried, we should fold them neatly, put them on the floor. Dear students, tell me which option is correct. Yes. When our clothes have been washed and dried, we should fold them neatly. Very good. Dear students, for this lesson, our discussion time is 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Thank you. That's all from my side. Thank you.